I like listening to music. You can probably tell. Pom chob fung plang. Not much in the way of tones in this really, but let's take a look at it anyway, shall we? Pom, rising tone. And of course, if you were saying chan, which you would do if you were a female, remember every time you see the word pom, since I speak masculine Thai, and if you're a female, you speak feminine Thai, you're going to replace pom with chan, which is a rising tone as well, right? Chan. Pom means I or me, and you know that. And chan means I or me for females. So every time you see pom, replace it with chan. And men, every time you see the word chan, replace it with pom. Okay, I think we got that covered. Next word, chob. Falling tone. Chob. And this, the BP, remember, when it's a BP at the beginning of the word, you know, it's like, it's a hard hit. Chob. Chob. It's not a chob, and it's not a chop. It's a chob. You're kind of going from the B to the P, but you're stopping just as you hit the P. Chob. Fung. Fung. A lot like fungus. Fung. And then the last flat tone word would be plang. So fung is flat tone and plang is flat tone.
ฉันชอบฟังเพลงฉันชอบฟังเพลงฉันชอบฟังเพลง
ผมชอบฟังเพลงผมชอบฟังเพลงผมชอบฟังเพลง
ผมชอบฟังเพลงผมชอบฟังเพลงผมชอบฟังเพลง
Pom chob fung plang. Let's look at this word for word. Take it apart one word at a time. Pom. That means I or me if you're male. Chob. Chob. Falling tone. Means to like. Chob. Chob. Means I like. Fung. Fung means to listen or listening. Fung. And plang is a song or music. Plang is a music or it's a song. So I like listening to music. Pom chob fung plang. Say this after me, would you? Pom chob fung plang. Pom chob fung plang. Pom chob fung plang. And if you're female, chan chob fung plang. Chan chob fung plang. Chan chob fung plang. I like listening to music. And who doesn't?
ผมชอบฟังเพลงผมชอบฟังเพลงผมชอบฟังเพลง
ฉันชอบฟังเพลงฉันชอบฟังเพลงฉันชอบฟังเพลง
ผมชอบฟังเพลงผมชอบฟังเพลง
One more time with captions so that you've got the tones and pay attention to the tones. I know there's only two in here. Pom, which you already know, but chob. Listen to how they say that tone and the word, that BP at the end of the word.
ผมชอบฟังเพลงผมชอบฟังเพลง
The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, TheThaiLanguage.com. TheThaiLanguage.com.